I, however, have one regret, that I will not be there to, he will not be there for me to see the transformation he had planned for our military. He had an elaborate, very well laid out plan on the transformation of the military. And he had briefed me that beginning next month, at the pass out parade, I would see, and the country would see, something different. I regret that he won't be there to see his plan come to fruition. I am, however, confident that the men and women he leaves behind, the commanders that he has trained, mentored, and assisted, will gather the courage and wherewithal to drive the plan General Ogolla had put in place. It is most unfortunate that the crash has robbed this nation of fine and dedicated patriotism whose ability, professionalism, and dedication was self-evident. His